Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 867 named Transpose matrix. In this problem, we are given a 2D array matrix and we have to return the transpose of this matrix. Now, the transpose of a matrix is the matrix flipped over its main diagonal, switching the matrix rows and column indices. Suppose let's take this first example. Here, the dimension of this matrix is 3 by 3. The first row is 2, 4, minus 1. It will become the first column here, which is 2, 4, minus 1. Second row is minus 10, 5, 11. It will become the second column, which is minus 10, 5, 11. Third row is 18, minus 7, 6. It will become the third column, which is 18, minus 7, 6. Now, this is the basic definition of the transpose matrix. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the algorithm, let's take these examples here. The dimension of this matrix is 2 by 3. And the transpose version of this matrix will become 3 by 2 in dimension. That means the dimension of row and column will be swapped. Now, the first row is 1, 2, 3. And it will become the first column here, which is 1, 2, 3. Now the second row of the matrix is 4, 5, 6. And it will become the second column here, which is 4, 5, 6. So this is the transpose version of the input array or input 2D grid. Now let's see how can we solve this problem. At first, erase all of the entry of the transpose matrix. Now here, currently we are at this element 1. So 1 will be presented here. Now we are at this element 2. So 2 will be presented here. But wait. 2, the row number of 2 is 0. The column number of 2 is 1. Now it will stand in 1 row and 0 column. That means the number of row and column will be swapped. Now here, for this element 3, it will stand here. So here, the row number of 3 will be 0 and the column number will be 2. But here, the row number will be 2 and the column number will be 0 for this element 3. That means the row and column will be swapped. Similarly, for this element 4, it has the number 1 as a row and 0 as a column. Now it will be number 0 as a row, number 1 as a column. Now for this element 5, it is row and column number is 1, so it will be presented here. Now for this element 6, the number of row is 1 and the number of column is 2. But here it will be number of row is 2 and the number of column is 1. So it will present here. That means the algorithm is pretty simple. For each of the element in the input matrix, we have to swap their indices and add the value into the transpose matrix. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function which has a parameter is 2D matrix. Now here, we are calculating the dimensions and initializing a temporary variable, which is a 2D matrix to store the transpose version of the matrix. Now, we are running a loop from 0 to n and another inner loop from 0 to n. And here we are swapping the ij element of the matrix with ji element with the temp. Now here we are returning the temporary variable. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.